Hello there. Can you help me remember something? I've been trying to remember something. I can't quite remember. It's really been messed with my head. It's something like epoxy, no, appendix. No, that's not a epistatus. Oh, epistasis. What's epistasis? Oh, epistasis. Well, let me explain it. I actually need to make a presentation for epistasis for a class, so let me explain it to you. Get some good practice in. So let's see. Epistasis is when an allele expressed at one locus can change the expression of an allele at another locus. So pretty much different genotypes can lead to the same genotype. Still a little confusing? Let me simplify it a bit. So now let's look at our fictitious pathway. Up here we have a big A and a big B. The big A means it would move farther in this pathway, and then the big B would mean it would move farther in this pathway. So for the brown shoe, we would have a, big B dash, or little a, little b, since there's no big A's. But big A's move on to yellow, where we have big A dash, little b. No big B. And so big B's with big A's move over here to the blue shoe. We have big A dash, big B dash. So what we can assume from this pathway is, since we have a capital A and then a capital B following that, we can assume that this is a single recessive pathway that is going to have a 9:3:4 phenotypic ratio. Now we just need to prove that this is a single recessive pathway, and we can do that by crossing two blue shoes here. And I've represented that by doing this on the dihybrid cross. We have two heterozygous blue shoes crossing. And we can see 9 blue shoes, which are represented by a big A dash, big B dash. Then we have 3 yellow shoes, which is big A dash, little b. And then we have 4 brown shoes down here, which are little a, big B dash, or just little a, little b. So now to add some extra fun to our problem, we can cross a blue and a brown shoe. And I've shown that cross right here. We have the blue, big A, big B, crossed with the brown, little a, big B. And what we get is an 8 blue to 8 brown shoe ratio. And so what this cross and what the last cross prove is that 2 different genotypes can lead to the same genotype. So this shoe knowledge is very useful because if you ever get in a bind one day, you're wearing your nice new Jordans and you accidentally get in front of a puddle, what are you going to do? Well, you can just easily breed the 2 and you can get Crocs out and just walk right through the puddle. So easy fix, day is saved.